AvPro is proud to present this GULFSTREAM G450, serial number 4226. The G450, a direct descendant of the best-selling G4 series, is a top-tier large-cabin long-range business jet with a 4,350 nautical mile range and the advanced plane view cockpit, one of the most sophisticated in business aviation. Serial number 4226's 11-passenger aft galley configuration includes a forward 4-place club, a mid 4-place club, an aft 3-place divan opposite a credenza with monitor, and both forward crew and aft passenger lavatories. Ready for year-end delivery, this aircraft has had a single U.S. corporate owner since new and offers advanced connectivity with ViaSat broadband multi-link and AirCell flight phone, alongside entertainment features including AirShow, dual Rockwell Collins DVD players, and forward bulkhead and credenza monitors. With long range, a spacious cabin, and advanced avionics, unmatched performance and comfort comes standard in the G450, serial number 4226, presented exclusively by AvPro. AvPro, celebrating over 30 years of excellence.